take 5 minutes.
Chris barely got the rods and the boards out, and we're already hooked up.
I don't know if he's 20, but he's good.
Get him. Oh man, he bent it over. He laid it over. I'll try to net him for you here, Chris, and film at the same time.
Alright, let me get this board up to. I think I'm bringing in another board behind me. Yeah, fingers aren't working.
That's a good fish, isn't it? That's a pretty good bend in that rod.
He's pretty decent.
El Gato Azul.
Yeah,
That's where they're at. We're fishing Lake Lavon today. Trying something different. I have never been here.
Pulling a little drag.
Man, nice fish, Chris. That was quick, huh?
It didn't take long at all. This might be our day today, buddy.
Oh yeah.
Nice one. He'll go 30. He's gonna be right at 30.
Oh, in the net.
Nice one, dude.
I got this camera. I'm gonna let Chris pick him up.
Man, he's feeding good. He's gonna have to be burped.
He's fed up. God, it's a good fish, man.
Woo, he's blown up. He's gonna have to be burped.
Toadfish, man. Chris, that's awesome. Did he burp him?
Burp.
All right, I'll let you show him off up there.
First fish in the boat, boys. Don't hit that fast, do they?
That's a
Make
pretty,
sure there ain't another one on.
pretty male, man.
I hope he's burped good. I don't want to have to fish him back out.
Yeah.
He's lively.
There he goes. Man, straight back down.
Straight back down.
Hell no, I'm enjoying watching you do it. I don't want to jinx a good thing, man.
Another decent fish.
Get him, Chris.
This one's getting bit right here. The second
I'll
rod.
be ready. I'll watch the other ones while you're handling that. We're on some fish here, guys. Ah, it might be a female. Huh?
He's up.
God, and I stopped that camera right before that.
That's the freaking tick.
He might have got off. How did that fish get off there? Nice.
Decent fish right there.
Need a net?
I don't know if I'll need a net. We'll see what he is first. He's not a giant.
We are hooked up again, guys. I like
all
it.
right.
I like
Fish on. That's a good one.
This one might be a good fish, man.
All right.
Oh yeah. Well, he ain't a little fish, but he ain't a giant. It's hard to tell till you get him real close, you know?
Yeah, sometimes you get them right up there. Hey, that's a good one, Bill.
Oh yeah.
That's a good one.
Alright, Chris got the net here. Let's bring him to the net. There he is. Woo!
Woo! Booyah, baby!
We got him. Woo! Oh yeah! What a day! Chris, get up here.
Killer bee. Gato Azul.
Oh,
Smack down on them, y'all.
my arms are almost tired. Chris is killing me here. Sure we ain't got nothing folded over while we're messing around, huh?
There it goes.
Oh, I heard him. You can turn mine loose too, Chris.
Alright, you're videoing.
Yep, I got you. Woo! There she goes. Straight
down to the bottom.
CPR, baby. Please, please, do me and Chris a favor. You catch one like this, turn him, please. Pretty fish. Woo! There she goes. She's going.
All
she
right.
made it.
And burped on the
Chris.
way down. Booyah, baby!
I was looking at Chris and that rod just folded over. I don't know if y'all saw it or not.
Jack, you want to fight a good one for a little bit, buddy? You want to fight a fish? It's getting chilly out here again. Might have to put the jacket back on. Go 25.
That's a nice fish.
25. Say he's 23.
For the crap, I'm gonna say 19.
20 and a half.
20 and a half. Hold her up there, Chris. Chris is just killing them today, man. What a toad. God, good stuff right there, man.
Yeah, baby. 20 and a half, guys. Yeah, bud. Yeah, let Bill reel his fish in.
Hey, do you want to reel this one in, Jackson? You sure?
He said he don't want to reel him in today, Bill. So
Man.
you're around him. Just
Well, I get it.
in like that and try to keep him off of that outside pink board. It looks like he's going to get into him.
He's trying, isn't he?
Bring him on in. Bring him on in. Oh. He's into this.
And I got him. He got that board. I see him down there. I think he's a teener.
I'll bring this board in with it.
That sounds good.
I'll clip that one to bring him up.
Ain't a bad fish.
We'll take it.
Hey, Disco. Chris about to turn this one loose.
I think he's got it.
Over the years, I've had some pretty good days blue cat fishing, but I have never in my life experienced anything like this. At the end of the day, we figured we had caught over 500 pounds of blue cats, not including the ones that we lost, got right next to the boat. El Gato Azul knows his catfish. This guy's, it astounds me how in tune and how his hand is on the pulse of these fish. It's just really cool to fish with such a fine angler. I appreciate him letting me on his boat, share time with him and his son Jackson. Hopefully it won't be the last time. He sure took me to school today, as you guys can see in this video. Man, that's a nice fish, Chris. Turn everything around. Woo!
Yeehaw,
El
baby.
Gato Azul.
We're on them.
Another nice one, huh, Chris? Woo!
Yeah, this will put us
Oh, yeah. Hold that one out, Chris. Nice.
There he is. Oh,
Alright. Chris just hoed it off in one, man. I love it. Sure makes me happy.
We're on them. Where's my GoPro?
Yep, you want me to start it for you there, Chris?
Let me stick it right here.
Folded over, man. Hey, that's what we were asking for, wasn't it?
Yeah, asking you shall receive, baby.
Man, you know what? I killed that camera right before that takedown too. I swear they know. They got me on lockdown, Chris. They're like, no, we're not gonna let you get this massive takedown on video.
Battery's crapped out on this one. I must have left it running.
I got you. I think Chris got a better fish. Sure looks like it's bowed over.
It's gonna go. I think it'll go 20. I don't know. He hadn't made any real runs on me, but
Just kind of laying there.
I hadn't felt him yet rip any drag off the reel. Sometimes they don't like to go nuts, so you get them right up here.
We're in 37 foot of water, guys. 37
Big
foot.
fish on. Oh, there he is, Bill. Double, baby. Woo!
Oh, I got him that time.
All right.
I don't think he's very good, but
We'll take it. Anytime you can get a double.
yeah.
We're doubled up, boys.
Let me see if I can get him right away from these boards. Woo!
Like, charge my
Come on, get away from that.
camera.
You're gonna get away from that board if I have anything to do with it, buddy. Oh man, I hope he did. I think he just got in that board. Maybe not. Ooh, this one's pulling.
Good.
Come on, baby.
Smoke that finder.
Whew. That rod is doubled over. I don't think he's giant, but he ain't as little as the last one we caught.
He's a good. I can't tell what he is.
I got around that board, believe it or not, Chris.
Good. Maybe we can break this getting hung up every time we catch one thing.
Action Jackson, you're missing out,
I got
buddy.
20 on.
Oh yeah, toad. We got a couple of good ones, guys. I am
23.
completely out of breath. We just came through a wad of them. You can see here, here. Jackson had one. We got another one here.
Jackson's right here.
The GoPro's died. I'm about dead.
We did.
Whew. I'm out of breath, man.
We did what we came to do.
That was good stuff. Locked up, man.
All right.
Woo! There's a
good one.
takedown.
That was hammered down, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was. I couldn't get the camera on quick enough.
I
Uh-huh.
like it when there's that cool marking. All right, another 30.
Woo! Get him out of there. Where's that fucker?
He's got 12 O's sunk in the corner.
Kurt's got another one. That's awesome. It's bad luck to take a rod from a man.
Well, you know, I'm quick on the trigger to get these things.
Oh, I love it. I love it. I'll sit here and watch.
I don't move
and have a
slow
good
when
time.
I see one biting.
Now, get it. You can't. I like it. You need a net on this one, Chris?
Hey, fish on right
Hey,
here. Oh, he's a good one. That's a monster. I'm thinking because that thing just got smoked.
golly, man, what a bite. Love it.
Got two good ones hooked up, guys.
Oh, mercy. Toadfish.
Jackson, you need to get in on this action there, buddy.
It's a good fish. Both of them are good.
Man, come in here a little closer and put yours above mine.
All right. Oh, she's
How about that, guys?
Bubbles, they're decompressing, but that fish might be should be chucked with bait, huh?
I think it is.
This go is just wearing him out.
Bill, you want to release him?
Well, sure. Now I'm gonna let you, Chris, so I can video. I'll watch.
I'm gonna have to make sure he's gonna swim off. Get witch out, Disco.
Chris sticking that big beauty back in the water. She's wanting to go, huh?
I hope she goes.
There she goes. Yep.
Straight back down to the bottom, baby. Woo!
Hey, Chris, way to go, baby.
That's awesome, man.
Get him. No telling how many we missed
Got him.
Nice.
No.
God, huh?
Yeah.
Whoops.
In the net, baby. Woo!
God, Chris got
Put
another
us right
good
at 270 pounds of kitty in the boat,
Woo!
y'all.
What are you doing, buddy?
Swinging.
Swinging? All right, we got some mayhem going on here. We're trying to get everything back together.
My live stream died.
How do you get it back on?
My phone's dead.
Oh, it's done, huh?
It's done.
We'll put it on the charger.
That freaking thing got smoked,
I saw it,
man.
dude.
There
I turned
was
around
no-
and it got hammered.
That thing, and this one's pulling good. He's got to be.
We're looking for better fishing than this.
He ain't gonna find.
You ain't gonna find it, man. Golly, man. That's a good fish. Jesus.
Yeehaw, baby. Don't want to lose him right here at the end.
Yeah. Chris has got this rod just bowed over, guys. Hope this camera noise or the wind noise isn't bothering y'all too much. It's blowing right into the camera. There ain't a whole lot I can do about it.
This is a strong fish. Different class of fish.
Yeah, that's a little better fish. I think Chris just caught our 40
Yeah.
or 50.
Look how dark he is.
God, that's a pretty fish. That's a big male too, I think.
All right, dude.
Golly. I'm gonna let Chris jerk him in. That's golly. What a toad.
Woo, baby.
What a toad,
Woo!
man. That's the one we were waiting on. That's the one we were waiting on. Chris just freaking landed this one. That is a freaking beast. Beast, man. Whoa,
Careful, Bill.
easy now. I'm about to go swimming. This deck is slicker than owl shit, I promise you.
Yeah, we put some serious.
We put some
Blucats
fish
in
on
this
it.
boat.
I got you, Chris. That is a toad. Toad fish.
He's pretty too, man.
Yeah, he is.
Weird,
gorgeous.
strange color for wintertime.
Dark. He
Dark, like he's been up shallow. But it's been cold for 3 days. He'd be one of those black ones in the
Yeah.
warm weather. All right,
Real
I don't
dark.
think he needs burping. I brought him up pretty slow.
Whew, he's still wound
He's
up.
mad.
He is wound up, guys. There he goes. God,
See you
man.
later, monster.
Perfect. I'm gonna try to get your. Ooh. I don't know, man. He's pulling now. Look at that.
All right, that's a net fish.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
Come off.
Yeah, he freaking rolled and
Ah, hell, that would have put us over 300. We just missed a good one.
How does that even happen?
I don't know. They twisted right here. Oh,
Oh, get him, Chris.
fish on.
Woo!
All right.
Nice one, Chris.
He's a good one.
Good.
He's right around 20, I bet.
I got that takedown on video. That was cool.
It was still, the line was going out. I just heard the thing
Whew.
spooling. It's like, that's weird. He'll go 20.
God dang, another big fish.
Oh, arms cramping. Reeling all these damn fish in. He's probably a little over 20.
Now I got this raw.
Something's still toying with you
Yeah,
back
it
there.
is. Whew, it's a nice fish. Can you get him, Chris, or you need some help? I can put this piece right there.
Butt cap.
Lee.
We lost the butt cap. Hey, we're doing great, man.
Yeah, he had a heck of a day,
That's
man.
a $2 piece or a dollar piece.
God. Chris has put me on him today, man.
Get under the blanket, your feet are gonna be frozen, dude. Bill's got a good one. That's gonna put us over 400, guys.
Oh, yes, sir.
You can do your Bill's
Oh, yeah,
phone after
yeah.
Bill gets his big fish in.
Yeah, man, this thing is acting the fool, isn't he?
This can be right at 20.
He is wound up in there. There we go.
Shot full of 20 pounders.
Ooh. God, man. What a bunch of good fish.
18 or 19. Hell yeah, Bill.
Don't worry.
Cock and roll.
Hold her up
baby.
there, Chris.
Got my hands chewed on a lot today.
Whew. What a day.
Man, we smoked him.
Here you go. Go ahead.
Oh, he came off.
Oh, man.
I had my hands full, bud. Oh, he's still on.
God, he folded that rod over, didn't he?
Pretty good. He's pulling hard. Staying on the bottom good.
It's a better fish, isn't it? God, he drilled it. Let me know when you need that net and I'll grab it and come on over.
Here he comes.
Oh.
Oh. This one will be about 23 pounds.
Oh, what a day.
I'm not even going to weigh it.
I'm just about out of battery. This is crazy, man. Golly. We're going to get one more.
One to finish this off, I think, probably.
God dang, that was a nice hit. That was so pretty. It was bowed over, man.
Right as I said, well, I think we're about done. It's like, boom.
He's like, no, you ain't done yet.
Let me put this one on in the boat for you and send you guys home. Yeah, bud.
Boom. In the net.
Holy smokes, Bill.
That's a heavy fish, Chris. That was thick.
Yeah, he'll be close to 30.
Whew, big old headed one. So guys, I got slime from one enemy to the other. Chris here, we're just wore out, man. We had an epic day blue cat fishing. If you guys haven't yet, I'm not gonna tell you again, check out his channel. If you want to learn about big blue cat fishing and how to catch these things and how to target them, no better guy than Chris here.
Thanks, Bill.
We are headed to the house.
Yes, we are out of here. Thanks, guys. Appreciate
I've had
y'all.
enough. Killer, get it around here where you guys can see me. Killer be out.